Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page been a blessing to you, your word of the day is inner strength. Aquarius, it's time to dig deep. Dig deep and finish the race. We're about 10 meters from finishing this season into a new season, to the breakthrough. We never know when the switch is about to turn on for our blessings and manifestations, but it's very close. We're about 10 meters out. You've been running this race strong. I want you to finish strong. Dig deep, deep breaths, powerful strides. Make sure you continue to cross your T's, dot your I's. Great punctuation. Pay attention to the little things. And actually, don't worry about hope. No, we don't have, we have faith. We may have hope and faith, but we actually pride ourselves in doing and acting. Nothing moves me from my path of light because I have complete confidence in myself. I realize my innate qualities and abilities, and I know with God, I can do anything. God is on your side. There's no way you can lose. Continue to fight the good fight. Dig deep. We're all in a dark place, and in no time, we're all going to transition into a lighter place, to our breakthroughs, to our blessings. And yours is going to be as bright as the sun. All the power I need is within me. Dig deep. Be strong. For you're not here to dream or drift. You have heavy loads to lift. You have a lot of rewards on your way. But everything takes effort. So I want you to continue to put forth that effort. We're not here to play, to dream, to drift. Here we go. We have hard work to do and heavy loads to lift. Be strong, be strong, be strong. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.